So, hello children. Today you'll be learning about note taking. So, you've already seen some of the ways you can use the iPad to take notes. So, just going to quickly show you two note taking videos. Okay, video 1 and video 2. And you watch first, and I'll ask you what you think about them. Okay, you've watched video 1. Now watch video 2. Then compare it with video 1. Okay, now that you've seen the two note-taking videos, this is from the first video. So this is actually normal note-taking. And in the second video, it's a bit different. It's called visual note-taking. So what's the difference between normal note-taking and visual note-taking? It's actually the word visual. Visual means pictures, visual means drawings. So that's the difference between these two versions of note-taking. So why visual note-taking? Why can't I just use the normal note-taking? You may be thinking, oh, my drawing is very lousy. I actually prefer to only write words. So why do I have to go and draw? So why draw? Because drawing actually uses more parts of your brain. If you're just writing, you're just only using one part. But if you're drawing, you'll be using the part of your brain that you used to draw, and you're also writing at the same time. You're using another part of your brain that is also writing. And when you're choosing which part, what am I going to draw, which part am I going to draw, you're organizing the information. You're using yet another part of your brain that is doing the organizing. And when you use more parts of your brain, that means you're actually learning better. You're activating more parts of your brain for a particular topic, for a subject, and you'll be able to learn better. So that is basically the rationale of visual note-taking. So what I'm showing you here is what I'm writing with a pencil and an eraser. But eventually you'll be using this on the iPad. And can you imagine photographs from the iPad that you can take photo and you can use it as part. You can just put it directly on your piece of paper. And then you can use colors, iPad colors, and if you make a mistake, you don't need to use an eraser. You can use different colors, you can make it bigger, make it smaller, and when you're drawing on an iPad using the expensive Apple Pencil, you'll be able to do so much more than this piece of paper. So if you see this piece of paper and you like what you see, can you imagine what other marvelous things you can be doing on the iPad while doing visual note-taking? So I just hope that you are very excited to get on board visual note-taking, and let's see how that visual note-taking can activate more parts of your brain so that you learn better.